Today I'm going to review this unicorn surprise, and my mom ordered this from Amazon. Let's open it. Grab a scissors and let's open. My unicorn named Lola. You can see at the back. And in her tummy, there will have a baby inside. We need to open the tummy to see. And how many girls, how many boys do you get? Let's open it now. Here is the zipper. Let's open how many girls or boys. I see something. A girl! And I see something here. And two. Oh, this one is big. A girl! Another girl. Doesn't look like her mom, but then I feel something more. It's hard to check this girl. And that, it's a girl! 3 girls! Let's see, is there something more? No! This unicorn has 3 girls! So cute!